Good morning, students. Today we are going to start question number 1 in that part 1 of exercise 4.3. Till now we have gone through two methods how to construct quadrilaterals. First was when they have given you four sides and one diagonal, then how to draw. Second was when three sides and two diagonals are given, how to draw the quadrilateral. Now the third method. In this method, when they have given you two adjacent sides and three angles are known, then how to draw quadrilateral we are going to study. So as I have told before, please go through what I am telling you, do with me. You can pause me and do the construction like I am doing. So let us start. Here we have to construct the quadrilateral MORE. So we have to draw rough figure first so that you can get idea how to draw quadrilateral. Here MO is equal to 6 centimeter, OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Measure of angle M is 60 degree. Measure of angle O is 105 degree and R is 105 degree. Here this is the rough figure, so it will not be exactly what I am going to draw. So let us start. First step, what we will do, draw MO is equal to 6 centimeter. So let me draw. So I have drawn MO. Let me name it MO. Now what I have to do, I want to draw measure of angle M 60 degree. So what I will do, I will open my compass. Any measure you can open. I will open this much and draw a semicircle. Keeping this much measure only, put this needle on the semicircle which intersects the MO. Draw one arc. This is our 60 degree. I have already explained this in 7th standard. Now putting the needle on 60, we will make another arc, that is our 120 degree. Now keeping the needle on the same 60 degree, draw one arc and then putting the needle on 120 degree measure, draw another arc. This point of intersection which we got, we have to draw 60 degree here. So I will erase this. I thought 105 degree. So 60 degree is already here. We don't have to go further. We will join the point of intersection and M. Draw the line little bit bigger one. And measure with the protractor. It will be exactly 60 degree. Now at O, draw one semicircle at O, same as we have done on M. We will draw one semicircle. Then putting the needle on this point where the semicircle intersects, this is our 60 degree. Putting the needle on 60 degree, we will get 120 degree, and between 120 degree somewhere here we will get our 90 degree. Why we are taking 90 degree? Because we want 105 degree and we will get that with the help of 90 degree and 120 degree. I am drawing this with the help of red pen so that you can understand where is 90 degree, but you don't have to draw with the red pen. Now students, this is our 90 degree. Our 105 degree will be between 120 and 90. So we will take this radius between 105 and 90, this much, and draw one arc, putting now on 90 degree where it intersects the semicircle, and join this point of intersection with O, which will get us our 105 degree. So this is our 105 degree. Let me write 105 degree. This is 105 degree. This is 60 degree. Now taking O as a center and 4.5 measure on the scale with the compass, cut that line. Taking O as center, on OX ray cut one point, which will our R, which will be our point R. Now we have to follow the same rule for doing 105 degree. Like we have done at point O, we will do at point R. Same procedure. Take R as a center and draw one semicircle, putting this point on that point, first point of intersection. Draw one arc which will be our 60 degree. Again take 60 degree, needle at 60 degree, draw 120 degree, and between them we will get our 90 degree. This already I have explained you in 7th standard also. Join R and that point of intersection, but with the dotted line, so that you can understand this is 90 degree. We have to make 105 degree. This is not our measure. Now from there we will get our 105 degree. We will take this radius, draw one arc, putting on 90, draw another arc. It will give us 105 degree. Join point R to that point of intersection, and it will also intersect this line. And where this point intersects the previous line, it will be our E, point E. So we get our quadrilateral MORE. Remaining lines you can remove with the help of eraser, so that your figure becomes neat and tidy. And give all the points. This is 105 degree. This is 4.5 centimeter. You can also measure with the help of protractor, and at the end of your construction it is exactly 60 degree. Exactly. This is also exactly 105 degree. Let me show you. Yes. And this is also exactly 1 minute. Yes, this is exactly 105 degree. So this is how you have to construct this part 1 when they have given you 3 angles. and two adjacent side. This side was our 6 centimeter. Now coming to the steps of construction. What first we have done? We have done MO is equal to 6 centimeter, right? 6 centimeter. So we will write draw MO is equal to 6 centimeter. Then what we have done? We have taken M. At M we have drawn OMY 60 degree. Then at O we have drawn 105 degree. At that line we have cut 4.5 centimeter and name it as R. Then from R again we have drawn 105 degree which intersects the previous line, and we got our construction. So this is how you are supposed to draw. Hope you have understood. If not, please go through this video lecture once more so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new construction in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.